Hi guys, I'm Allie, and I'm here to share more reviews from Cactus Credit. Cactus Credit has helped thousands of people with all types of credit and financial situations since 2016. No matter what has happened in your past, Cactus Credit can help you build a better future. Here are some new Cactus Credit reviews. Guy says, "Thanks Cactus Credit for your dedicated work in repairing my credit score. It's nice to know that people have an advocate who cares enough to see one through for positive results. Keep up the good work." Jasmine says, "Hi everyone, I just want to take this time to share how incredible this company is. I had looked into many debt consolidation programs, but none of them were anything like Cactus Credit. Agent Nico was super nice and explained everything I needed to know very well. I'm ecstatic to start making my payments so that I can get out of debt and breathe for once. Thank you so much Cactus Credit for all the help." Nicole says, "These guys are really the best. In 4 months, they got me from 510 to 605 and rising. They're so worth it. I went from no credit at all to almost being able to take out a vehicle, all on my very own with no co-signers. It also makes you feel real awesome. Cactus Credit, you rock." Those are your Cactus Credit reviews for today.